Now let's see how we're going to be inserting in ascending order. So if we have a sorted queue like we do right now, okay, if we have a sorted queue where data is in order, how do we insert more data in order? So insert ascending. So insert ascending, see how it works. So first of all, we want to check if the list is empty. And if the list is empty, then we're just going to insert the first link. Now, otherwise, if the value that we're trying to insert happens to be less than this, then what we can do is just use the insert left that we were using up to this point. If the data that we're trying to insert happens to be greater than the value of the last one, then what you want to do is you want to insert to the right. So that's the next thing. So if you're trying to insert data that is bigger than the link in L50 in this sorted queue, then again, you can just use the insert right. Now the only thing different is, what if we're trying to insert a link somewhere in between? Okay, let's see how that works. So let's see if I wanted to insert a link of 35, okay? So I'm trying to insert in order a new data. So this is link 6 now, L6. And how am I going to insert this link? Now the link here, I'm going to give it a data of 25. So how am I going to insert that in the correct order? Well, we're going to make a link current equal to first. So this here is equal to current. Right, because my first is this one. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to tell it, while current is not equal to no, move the current down. So this current is going to keep moving until it gets to the end, and every time we're going to tell it current is equal to current next, so that way it moves down. So if my current next data is greater than the new value, so when does that happen? Well, if my current next data, so our current is 10, is current's next, so this is current next data, is this one bigger than 25? No. So we're not going to do anything, and we're going to just go to the next one. So then current goes to the next one. So now current goes to link 2. And is current next data bigger than the value? Current next data is this one. Is it bigger than 25? Yep, it is. So now we have stopped current here. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to say new link previous is equal to the current. So new link previous here is equal to L2. Okay. Then the next thing is new link next is equal to the current next. New link next is equal to current next. This is the new link next, and that is equal to current next, which is L1. Okay, so now when you think about it, I have created this link that now has its own links. Right? So this one links to L2, and this one links to L1. Okay, so I have now set up these connections. I'm almost done. Now current next previous is equal to the new link. Current next is this one, previous is equal to the new link. So now what I'm saying is, now this one here is equal to L6. So I have moved this connection. And then the next one is on line 93, I say current next is equal to the new link. Current next is equal to the new link, which is the L6. And now I have moved this connection. And you can see that I have basically inserted a new link in order that I needed.